Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Hasi. Today's your practical is about sulfur ointment. So it comes under the heading of pharmacy experiment. So it is basically a pharmacy practical, and you have to prepare and dispense the sulfur ointment. So as the heading indicates that this is basically a sulfur ointment experiment. So you have that practical. So you have to prepare and dispense 15 grams of sulfur ointment. So first of all, the apparatus you required for this experiment is balance, ointment slab, a soft spatula, ointment container, and the ingredients are basically two. One is the sulfur and other one is the soft paraffin. Here I will like to discuss certain terms. The active ingredient in this practical, the active ingredient is sulfur, and the definition of an active ingredient is that is the ingredient which exerts its pharmacological effects. So here the sulfur exerts its pharmacological effects, so it's an active ingredient here. And the other ingredient, which is the base, is the soft paraffin. The purpose of the soft paraffin is that the sulfur mixed in that base, and that helps to remain the sulfur on the skin for longer period of time to exert its pharmacological actions. Now, here is a picture of the apparatus. The white one, that is the ointment slab. These are the spatulas. That is the container in which you have to put the sulfur ointment. Now, coming to that is basically an electronic balance that is used for measuring sulfur and the liquid. So now you have to make 15 gram of sulfur ointment here, and the formula that is used for making that ointment is known as BP formula. So BP stands for British Pharmacopoeia. That is the basic British Pharmacopoeia is basically a book that contains the formulas for preparation of different drugs. So among that is the BP stands for that that pharmacopoeia, and pharmacopoeias are basically books in which they are the doses and the formulas required for preparing different drugs. So Pakistan are also have their pharmacopoeia, and that is known as Pakistan pharmacopoeia, and America is also have that pharmacopoeia, and it is known as an American pharmacopoeia. So it is basically a BP, that is a British pharmacopoeia, and according to that formula you have to take 10% of sulfur and 90% of the soft paraffin. If someone asks you what is the BP formula for the sulfur, that is basically 1 by 9. ठीक है? The thing is that is 1 by 9. So you have to take about, if you're talking about of the 100%, 1 is basically 10% and 9 is the 90%. So according to this formula, you have to take 10% of the sulfur powder and 90% of the ointment. So amount for the 100 gram you have to take 10 grams, and for soft paraffin that is 90 grams. So putting the value in this formula, that is 1 by, that is 10 by 100 is for the 100 one, and you have to multiply is by the required amount that you have to prepare. In this case you are preparing 15 grams, but you can ask to prepare in exam like 10 grams, 25 grams, 30 grams, like 40 grams. So you simply have to change that value, the 15, to the specific value. If they ask you to prepare 10 grams, so you can add here only 10. If they ask you to prepare 9, so 9, 8, whatever will be the amount, you have to just change that amount, and the required things that you have to measure for the preparation of that ointment is available for you. So in that case you have to put the 15 for preparation of the 15 grams of sulfur. So by using the physical that balance, that is the 15 gram, that is the 1 point, if you are using that formula, so it's about 51.5. So by using that physical that electronic balance, you have to measure sulfur powder 1.5 and the soft paraffin 13.5. So that you have to measure 13.5 sulfur, that paraffin, that is the 90% of the total amount, that is 15, and 1.5, that is the 10% of the total amount, that is 15. When coming to this, you have to mix that ointment like this. First, you have to pull both of these liquid sulfur powder and the liquid paraffin on the that slab, and you have to mix them thoroughly with the help of the spatula. Okay, when it got mixed, then you have to put that into the container. Like that, you have to thoroughly mix sulfur and paraffin both with the help of the soft spatula. Okay, now okay, now now at the end there are certain assignment questions that you have to write the answers, but before going to that, I will tell you certain viva questions that you should be asked during your practical. Number one thing is the what stand for BP formula, that is, as I told you, British Pharmacopoeia. And what it indicates, it indicates the ratio of the sulfur to the liquid paraffin of 1 to 9. So 10% of the sulfur and 90% of the paraffin. And the other one, what is the agent or the bug that causes that scabies? That is the Sarcoptic scabi. That is a bug which causes that scabies. And the other one is the what are the uses of the sulfur ointment? As you know, it is used for the treatment of scabies. And how will you apply that? You have to apply for the 3 consecutive days below the neck, and then on the fourth day you have to take the shower. And they also ask why apply below the neck. The main thing is that the face and the neck are basically exposed to the air, and they are the frequent washable sites, so scabies don't occur at that side, so it acts on the sides which are covered. So that's why you have to apply it before at below the neck. And the other thing you have to apply at night time. So they will ask you why at night time, because that the bugs that lay eggs at the night time and come out of the burrows at the night time to lay eggs, so that's why you are going to apply that ointment at night time. So they are the few viva questions that you should know when your practical will happen in your exam in future. So the for the assignment questions, you have to write what is BP formula, name the bug that causing scabies, and you have to prepare 20 grams of sulfur ointment using the BP formula. Just write the calculations as I told you. What is the calculation? That is the 10 and then 90%. So just write the calculations and the amount you require to produce that ointment or to prepare that ointment. Okay, that's all about your lecture today. That is that pharmacy practical, and it is the sulfur ointment. Thank you.